just wanna used to be our home.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today we have got the Anker Prime Thunderbolt 5 docking station, Anker's first Thunderbolt 5 dock built for full-scale workflows. It has got 14 ports, built-in power, and a design that actually belongs on a clean desk. Quiet, built-in fans, no bulky adapters, just one cable from your Mac or PC, and everything lights up. Let's take a look at how it fits into daily creative life.
Cause this is the moment, an amplifier starts with a spark. A revolution, stand up, cause we are the movement.
Anker Prime Thunderbolt 5 dock arrives in a compact cube, polished aluminium on all sides, with gentle curves and a soft glowing around the top. It's got a solid feel, no flex, and a smart layout that hides cables well. Inside, it uses GAN components to deliver full power supply. So there is no separate brick, just a simple single cable straight into the wall outlet. Cooling is handled by a nearly silent fan with vents at the back and base. It stays cool to the touch even under a full desk load. The ambient LED reacts to usage and can be switched off completely with the power button up front. Quiet, clean, and balanced. It looks made for a MacBook, Mac Studio, or Mac Mini setup and blends seamlessly into a minimalist workspace.
A part of us they can't
Okay, up front there is a 3.5mm headset jack, one USB-A, and two USB-C ports, all running at 10 gigabit per second, with the USB-C ports supporting 45 watts total for fast charging. Spin to the back and it opens up one Thunderbolt 5 upstream for the host, two Thunderbolt 5 ports for downstream devices, two USB-A 10 gigabit per second ports, a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, and a dedicated HDMI 2.1 or DisplayPort 2.1. Use either depending on the setup. Oh yeah, it also has an AC input port. On the side, there's an SD card slot and a micro SD card slot for quick file access. Power delivery is smartly balanced across all ports with 140 watts going straight to the laptop and the rest distributed across peripherals. Perfect for creative desks that run SSDs, external drives, lights, and tablets all at once, with no second gaze.
trapped inside.
Thunderbolt 5 unlocks serious bandwidth, and this dock puts it to work. On both the Mac Studio M4 Max and Mac Mini M4 Pro, it supports a single display at 6K 60Hz or 4K 240Hz through the Thunderbolt or DisplayPort output. For dual displays, it handles up to dual 6K at 60Hz or dual 4K at 144Hz, ideal for video editing, grading, or previewing layered timelines. With transfer speeds up to 120 GB per second, it moves data nearly 3 times faster than Thunderbolt 4 or USB 4, keeping large media files flowing with no delay. Even when paired with a high-speed SSD enclosure, it holds speed steady. Displays wake fast, drives mount instantly, and every accessory powers on like it's hardware. This dock brings visuals and storage into one fast, responsive system that matches the pace of modern creative work. From everyday edits to live multi-device setups, the Thunderbolt 5 dock slots right into the full schedule. The side ports help offload media quickly, the front ports charge smaller gear without needing extra bricks. Two Thunderbolt ports on the back make it easy to pair with displays and drives, while the rest of the desk stays clutter-free. Whether sitting under a monitor arm or beside a laptop stand, it blends into the desk and keeps the focus on the work.
Truth will always.
Truly, the Anker 5 Thunderbolt 5 docking station delivers. It's built solid, runs quietly, and has enough power and ports to keep up with the pace of modern creative tools. No fuss, No slowdowns. Just one cable and the whole setup breathes easier. I have left a link to this Anker Prime Thunderbolt 5 docking station in the description box. So go ahead and check it out. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.